If eyes are the windows to the soul, then eyebrows are definitely more than the curtains. We all know that the importance of eyebrows in the aesthetics of the face, and one of the treatments that can be done to enhance the eyebrows is the micropigmentation or the microblading treatment. In this treatment, first an anesthetic cream is applied so that the skin becomes numb. And after the anesthetic is removed, the eyebrow is marked, and this is going to be charted according to the aesthetics of the patient's own face, after which the pigment is applied using short strokes of a blade which is dipped in the pigment, and then the pigment is deposited onto the eyebrow area. These strokes follow the lines of the eyebrow itself so that it looks very natural and very aesthetic. Following this, an ombre deposition of the pigment is deposited using a pen, which allows the appearance of the eyebrow to look more 3D or three-dimensional and more aesthetic. The treatment is completed by the application of a local antibiotic, and then usually the patient is asked to come back after 2 weeks for a follow-up. Results of the treatment last up to 5 years post-treatment, and usually there are no or minimum complications. To know more about this treatment, speak to your dermatologist today.